Well, there's something you don't see every day. A bright, not bright green, but sort of a British racing green Northern with yellow wheels. I think it was going to be a John Deere, but I got it. I painted this gold. I got to get the cow catcher on it. And it's got a Hudson tender. I mean, it's not right? It's a Northern. But I call this Margaret's Oz engine. And we have fun with that. I have a lot of Oz stuff and a car and some billboards. And I think that would make a fun display. Fix this up, get her stuff all around it, and you know, Wizard of Oz decals, and she'd have fun with that. Oh yeah, it's a good looking. I mean, you know, it's a Northern. What are you gonna say? It's a big beast. It's folks. It's got a little growl to it, but it's a runner. All right. Well, more fun and games. See what else I can find to dig out.